Justin Baldoni's attorney just accused Blake Lively of running scared from a trial she claimed she was winning. And Blake, her team is out here popping champagne, calling this a resounding victory. Welcome back to Teatime Takeover here at Shiro Unplugged. Guys, after nearly 2 years of leaked text, mere campaign claims, and that absolute irreverence with those chaos, Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni have officially settled their legal battles just weeks before trial. And if you thought a settlement meant peace, you haven't been paying attention, you guys. Both sides are claiming they won, and the statements that are coming from their lawyers. Stick with me, guys. Blake and Wayfarer Studios pulled the trigger on this settlement literally days before discovery was set to go fully public. Her legal team wasted zero time. They released a statement framing this as a massive win, saying the defendants accepted responsibility and emphasizing that her concerns deserve to be heard. They are even claiming Blake is still entitled to attorney fees and punitive damages. And of course, Team Blake is online saying this proves she was the victim all along. But wait, you guys, Justin's attorney, Bryan Freedman, came out swinging. Freedman basically accused Blake of running from the witness stand. Can you imagine, you guys? He blasted her for lying about multiple things, specifically the allegations involving those Sony dailies and the rumor that Colin Hoover unfollowed Justin at Blake's request. That right there, that sent social media into a total meltdown. People are digging up the old depositions and interviews because throughout this entire war, Baldoni's side has insisted Blake's narrative was built on selective leaks and PR tactics. The context we can't ignore, you guys. The judge had already dismissed a huge chunk of Blake's case, including the sexual harassment allegations against Justin personally. On the flip side also, Justin's countersuit against Blake and Ryan Reynolds was also tossed earlier this year. You might be asking why settle now, and I have 3 theories. Theory A, Blake settled because the discovery process was about to get way too uncomfortable for her brand. Theory B, Justin settled because the legal fees, which are reportedly astronomical at this point, were going to bankrupt him before he ever reached a verdict. Theory C, both sides realized this case had become a PR nightmare that was destroying everyone's career. Judging by these attorney statements, the bitterness is still very much alive. This wasn't a handshake, you guys. It was a ceasefire with both sides as still pointing snipers at each other. I want you to sound off in the comments. Do you think Blake Lively truly won this, or did she surrender before the truth came out in court? Whose side are you on after all this mess? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the family, because over here at Teatime Takeover, we don't just sip the tea, we spill the entire kettle. Thank you so much, guys, for your continued support. Continue supporting your girl Yura. Bye-bye. See you on the next.